I am Cyclone Jack, and we are live at InfernoFest UK. This is the first one out of three. We are down here at the Trades Hall in the centre of Glasgow City Centre, and the day has been fantastic. It's such a wonderful community experience. It's so nice to be able to get together with mutual likes and loves, and being able to nerd out together as adults and be silly and have drinks and watch a good show. And yeah, it's just been a beautiful day. It really has.
So I lived primarily in the U.S. I've traveled a bunch, and I know there are just Hellaverse fans all over the world. I used to work for the merchandising company that actually got Hasbin Hotel as an IP, and I noticed that merch just wasn't going out to other places in the world, and America had everything. So why not bring Hasbin Hotel to everywhere else? Thank you! So when people go to these events, you see a lot of anime conventions, and conventions in general have become very corporatized. People have realized that us fans make people a ton of money. But I think it's really important that people of all types get the ability to go to these fun events and not have to spend a whole bunch of money unless you want to. And I feel like that's very important to bring affordable, fun events to people all over. We do not need to spend 70, 80, $100 or whatever just to wander around a glorified artist alley. We should be able to have fun, do stuff, and communicate with the community that we've built around us. And I think that's super important. But yes, it's very hard to run them. But you can learn, just take to the internet, run smaller events if you want to, and you can build your own community. Typically, I play a lot of straight man characters, basically. I do Kyoya from Host Club, and just a whole bunch of people who don't have as much personality as Blitz might have. So it's definitely been a big change, but I enjoy it because I get to play off people. People have a lot of fun talking to me, and it's very enjoyable.
For the masquerade, it was terrifying at first because this is my first 18 plus event. I turned 18 4 weeks ago, so this was terrifying, but it was so much fun. The stage background were just so sweet. They were like, "Oh, you'll do fine, you'll do great," and everyone that was taking part was also so sweet. And there was no "Oh, I'm gonna do better." No, everyone was so nice, and they were just really kind and supporting each other from backstage. You could hear yelling. It was just so nice. And honestly, people should do it. I think it's really good that we do have Hasbin or just any event in Glasgow, because a lot of things, they don't come to Scotland. They say the UK, they mean England, and like every other place. So it's good that even it's made by a community that do want to take part in it. So that's really good. And you meet cool people and you get cool drinks as well. So that's also a good part. I've really enjoyed just talking to the people mostly, because they're so sweet. Like meeting people that are in the same interested in the same thing as you is just so much fun, and you get to just socialize with people that are so similar to you but also so different. I would absolutely love another Hellaverse event, because it's so uncommon to find fans of the show, especially in the, like Scotland area or UK in general, because everyone's too ashamed to say it, but you shouldn't be ashamed because you like it and you should show you like it. That's just how it is.
Instagram. What have you liked about the event today? Just so many people in costume. Like the costumes are just amazing. I love it. And absolutely love all the artwork. Everyone is just so talented. So I would love to see this back in the UK event.
Hi, I'm Jordan, this is Cal, and this is Dart. So far I have loved so much how accessible the event has been. I emailed a couple of times beforehand and got such helpful answers. And I would like to see it again because we've met so many cool people, and Dart has met so many cool people and so many new friends, and it's just such a lovely space.
I absolutely enjoyed today, absolutely ecstatic. I found that the cast was absolutely amazing. They really inherited the characters that they played, and the interactive segments were really fun as well to watch and participate in. Drinks are also amazing for both drinkers and non-drinkers alike. So hopefully they'll come back again with even more options and choices for us.
Hey everyone, so nice to see you. It's been an absolute fantastic convention. I'm Mia, I come here for Velvet. I'm absolutely so excited. I've enjoyed today so much and I really hope we come back again. Look at this group, this atmosphere is absolutely marvellous. So hopefully see you again next year.
Well, I've been living in sin for about a month. Something turned me around, it's something that I just can't understand. The way I behave, some people you can never save. In my right hand, got a girl on my ear, and on my left hand, throwing back a prayer. What can I say? On me, you see clear. When I'm driving down on Bourbon Street again, 'cause every night we throw this little soiree. I'm gonna turn her head until she's mine, all mine. No disaster. I might be right, I might be wrong. Try to get away and I will bring you right along. So sit back, have a seat. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Hard to swallow, but fun to eat. You ain't never leaving Bourbon Street. Come on.
Yes, I've taken part in the cosplay masquerade as a performer. I've had a blast. I think the crowd was so receptive and so fun. So I have performed once at MCM, and I found that, you know, the Hasbin Hotel crowd there was like, oh, you know, everyone's so hyped to see Hasbin Hotel. But actually being in the room of people who are entirely just into Hasbin Hotel hits a lot different. It's like, okay, every single person here knows what the character's about, knows exactly what I'm trying to convey, and everyone's kind of hyped to see it. It's really good. I enjoyed chatting to other performers backstage as well. Everyone's been so lovely. The crew's been amazing, and everyone's so supportive and just happy to kind of pull their all into it. It's really chill. So my coat is handmade. I have patterned it, and I have made it from velvet, which is a horrible material to work with. Would not recommend, because I ended up hand sewing a little bit. But I was really, I guess, inspired by the character design of Valentino. I think it's such a fun, such a cool, sassy character design. And I thought, okay, I can only see it as like this kind of false regal, velvety, you know, fuzz, that kind of royal trim. So I went whole hog. Really exciting having a Hasbin Hotel specific event in the UK. It's the first time I actually attend an event that is specific to like a fandom. I have heard that they happen for really, you know, really big names, but I have personally never really been into that. So it feels really exciting to have just a room full of people into a very specific property that you're into, and there is already like something in common that you have with everyone in the room, which is really chill. It's like MCM on steroids. I would absolutely love to see another Hasbin event in the UK. In fact, I would love for it to be a weekend. Because one day is so short, especially, you know, with all the getting ready in the morning. We're like running to actually make it to maximize our time at the event. But you know, it's been a really like packed day. There's so much going on. The artist alley's been lovely. The shows like the Masquerade, the Burlesque, there's a lot. And there's the grimoire with like all the tasks and character acts and stuff like that. And I think that, you know, it's a really packed day, but I think there is enough to make it a weekend, personally.